How to mark message as Unread on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can mark message as Unread on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. But before we start, make sure that your Messenger application is up to date to its latest version. In order to look for updates, you can open a Play Store in your device. Search for Messenger application, tap on the search icon and now search for Messenger. And make sure that the application is updated. After that, now you can open up Messenger in your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, select the account that you want to mark that message as Unread. Simply tap and hold on it. After that, you will see this menu box in your interface. From there, tap an option as Mark as Unread. And there you go. The message has been marked as Unread on Messenger. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.